Welcome back to Autoscope, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Caravan RV. External style, vehicle base, the RV would likely be built on top of the most recent generation Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, which is known for its durability. Modern shape, to improve fuel efficiency and provide a more comfortable ride, the body design will have a sleek, modern aerodynamic shape that lowers wind resistance. Adaptive LED lighting, the headlights and taillights will both use LED technology. Panoramic windows, there may be huge windows, with panoramic window options in the living or sleeping quarters. Easy access, the main entrance will have a smooth, automated electric stairway and spacious external storage spaces. Inside, high-end materials, Mercedes-Benz is renowned for its use of premium materials. Ambient lighting, a multicolored LED ambient lighting system will add a distinct tone to every occasion. Master bedroom, the main sleeping area will be a queen-size bed with a high-end orthopedic mattress. Kitchen features include a double sink, a large freezer and refrigerator, a microwave and oven combination, and an induction cooktop with 2 or 3 burners. Dining area and seating, there will be enough room for 2 separate sofas or a comfortable L-shaped sofa so that visitors may relax or have fun. Smart storage, the entire interior will include smart storage possibilities. Newest MBUX Infotainment System, like modern Mercedes-Benz cars, the motorhome will include the newest MBUX Infotainment System with a large touchscreen. Digital cockpit, the driver will have access to a fully personalized digital cockpit. Intelligent connectivity, the RV will feature onboard Wi-Fi, several USB-C ports, and wireless charging for mobile devices. Solar panels, integrated rooftop solar panels will provide a renewable energy source for charging the batteries. Lithium-Ion Battery, a high-capacity lithium-ion battery system will provide a consistent power source for all onboard systems. 360-degree video, a 360-degree video system will be very helpful when parking or maneuvering through tight spaces.